Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak an iOS 16.2 without a computer fully working. So let me just go to settings and show you guys that I'm currently updated to the iOS 16.2. So let me just go over to the software update here. We're just going to let it load. And as you guys can see, I am updated to it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So just keep watching the video, guys, and it's going to work. So this is pretty crazy. I can't even believe it. So let's get on with the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So before you do the jailbreak, guys, go to settings, and once you're there, just come over to general, and you want to make sure that you have background app refresh turned on. And this can be on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It really doesn't matter, but make sure it's on one of those. So once you've done that, you're pretty much all set. So all we got to do now is go back, and we're just going to come over to battery and make sure that the low power mode is turned off. So let me just show you guys how to do that. So just come to battery, and you'll know it's on because the battery percentage is going to be yellow. So just make sure low power mode's off. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So all we got to do now is go back, and you want to come over to App Store and make sure that automatic downloads is on. So this should be on by default, but if it's off, make sure you go ahead, turn it on. So once you've done that, you're all set. So all we got to do now is go to the browser, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where you need to go to jailbreak your device. So let me just come over to my browser. So once you're on this page, guys, you'll have the official uncovered jailbreak. So what you want to do is just go ahead and press the jailbreak, and there it is. So we're just going to go ahead and press the jailbreak, and then confirm it, and then our device is jailbroken. So we're just going to wait for this to load here so you guys can see. It's going to show you like iPhone update style progress bar, so just let it load. As you guys can see, it's just downloading the jailbreak and all that good stuff. So just be patient, guys, let it do its thing, and you should be all good to go. So let's just give it a minute. All right, it's almost done. So here we go. Now we have our iPhone update style progress bar, so we're just going to wait for that to load across. As you guys can see, all right, I'll just give it a second. Here we go. Okay, super cool, guys. So now that it's at the end, guys, it's going to be showing us the jailbreak. So we'll just wait for this to load. Let's go to the home screen and see if Cydia pops up. Oh my gosh, there it is. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. This is crazy. I can't even believe it actually works. So as you can see, guys, I got the fully working Cydia right there, and this is super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try this method out for yourself. Get the word out. This is so insane, guys. I can get Lotus, my favorite theme, but as you can see, guys, I have actual working Cydia, so I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. So yeah, super crazy, awesome stuff. And yeah, it's really cool. So try it out right now. Get the word out about this method, and it should work. So yeah, pretty crazy stuff. Awesome, and I'm really happy with it. So I'll see you later, and peace out.